Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Computer Learning. In our last video, we learned what a computer is. Today we are going to learn about the types of computers. You will be surprised to know that the phone in your hand is also a type of computer. Let's get started. Computers are divided into different types based on size, power, and purpose. Let's go through each one with easy examples. Type 1, Supercomputer. The most powerful and fastest computer in the world. Used for extremely complex tasks. Very expensive. Costs millions of dollars. Only governments, scientists, and big research organizations use them. Real examples. Fugaku, Japan. Used for weather forecasting and medical research. Summit, USA. Used by NASA for space research. Pakistani Meteorological Department uses supercomputers to predict floods and storms. Type 2, Mainframe computer. Very large and powerful computers, but less powerful than supercomputers. Can handle thousands of users at the same time. Used by big organizations for large-scale data processing. Real examples. Banks use mainframe computers to process millions of transactions daily. Airlines use them to manage ticket bookings worldwide. Government offices use them for census data. Type 3, Minicomputer. Medium-sized computers, smaller than mainframes, but more powerful than personal computers. Used by medium-sized businesses and departments. Multiple users can work on them simultaneously. Real examples. Hospitals use minicomputers to manage patient records. Universities use them to manage student databases. Factory production lines use them to monitor machines. Type 4, Microcomputer. Personal computer. This is the most common type, the computer that you use at home, school, or office. Further divided into A. Desktop computer. Stays on your desk, needs separate monitor, keyboard, mouse. Example. The computer you see in offices and internet cafes. B. Laptop computer. Portable, has built-in screen and keyboard, runs on battery. Example. Students use laptops for studying and assignments. C. Tablet, touchscreen device, very portable, no physical keyboard. Example. iPad, Samsung Galaxy Tab. D. Smartphone. The phone in your pocket is actually a microcomputer. Example, iPhone, Samsung, any Android phone you use daily. So now you know that computers are not just desktops or laptops. Supercomputers, mainframes, mini-computers, and even your smartphone are all types of computers. In our next video, we will learn about the history of computers. How it all started from a simple calculator to the powerful machines we have today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.